and 8, 9, one more, 10. Well done. Now extend the top leg long. Again, keep the bottom waist lifted, bottom foot forward. Number 8, relax the foot down. This is your side leg lift. Right, we're going to lift the thigh up. We're going to work in that hip joint and then lower. And a floppy foot 2 and then lower. Stabilize the pelvis 3 and then lower. And then 4 and then lower. And 5 and lower. Thinking about these thighs, lifting at the hip joint. And 6 and lower. And 7 and 8 and 9. One more and 10. Okay, now we're going to take the leg forward for the forward and lift. Number 9, exercise number 9. And then 2. You can have your hand here if you like. And then 3, up, down. Again, the pelvis is stable. The movement comes from the hip joint. And forward, lifting, down, and return. Hip flexion, hip abduction, and then return. And then forward, up, down, and return. 3 more. Forward, up, down, and return. 2 more. Up. Last one. Up. Okay, now we'll take the leg forward again for the final exercise. We're going to take it up. This is a forward with drop. So I'm going to drop it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift, hold, take it back. You're going to feel that burn. And then release. Well done. You can soften the knee. You can give your glute a little hammer. And then we'll repeat that all over again. 2 on the other side. So, lying sideways. Bottom arm is long. We start with the clams. Feet aligned with the spine. Lifting the bottom waist up. Chest is open. Stabilize the pelvis. Abdominal wall in. And let's begin. For 10. Of the claps. And 2, 4. Again, you need to activate the underneath waist to support the spinal position. So no slouching here. And 4 more. And 3. And 2. 1. And release. Moving on to our side leg lift. Bottom knee is forward. Foot underneath the knee. Straighten the top leg. Reaching away. Active underneath waist. Relax the foot. And then onto a side leg lift. We lift for 10. And 2. Stabilize the pelvis. 3. Keep it long. 4. 5. Make sure the leg is in line with the hip, not too far forward and not too far back. 4 more. 3, 2, 1 for your forward foot lift and up. Forward and lift and then back. Forward, lift, down and back. Pelvis is stable. Movement comes from the hip joint and into flexion, abduction, down and hip extension and forward, up, down and back and forward, up, down and back, forward, up, down and back. One more. Okay, let's take the leg forward and up, hold. Last one, forward, we drop it down and then lift and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift it up, bring it back, burn, and then bring it down. Relax the knee and then give yourself a little release, hammering your bottom. And well done. Those were our 10 exercises for the day. Have a great day.